how to make avocado oil without putting any oil or cooking or anything. So welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for coming back. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel so you will never going to miss any free tips like this coming. So I choose 5 medium avocado. I mashed it. First day I kept 4 hours on the sun, so I don't want it to be rotten. After that I keep inside just to keep turning every day, and this is how it's look. My avocado second day is completely like dark. This is how it's look. I kept it away from the sun, and then this is how it's look second day. So this is the third day. My avocado look like it's already ready. It look like 30, but I still keep it 1 day more, and then this is how it look for the completely dark ready. Look on the tray, a lot of oil. Is our oil is completely ready now. Is going to be less training process. Now I put it on the cheesecloth. Make sure you put it on the cheesecloth or something really thin, because you don't want all your hard work going to remain. If you use training with cotton cloth, it's going to be all on that your oil. So with that being said, make sure something thin to go. It's really hard to whisk it. To whisk it properly, put all your force in it and take it out every single oil on that avocado. As I said, I haven't cooked it as you see already, or put any oil. This is all my oil come out from 5 medium avocado. I mashed it, and you can use for your hair. I obviously use for my hair and for my between twins hair, but you can use for your face, your skin, for whatever you desire to use. Is really good for cooking. I don't really recommend it, like I said, because I don't know, I never used for cooking, so I don't recommend it. So after this I put a little bit of essential oil, lavender essential oil, and then I add vitamin E, so it keep a bit like longer. Anyway, it's not going to be long for me. I'm gonna using for myself and for my beautiful twins, which is going to be this one like 2 weeks for me. Still I kept it on the shelf. So it's pure avocado oil. Try and let me know in the comment what you think about, if it's good for you oil or not, and don't forget to subscribe and give the thumb up the video.